Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Today, in our history class, we are going to learn about people who have contributed to India's growth and progress. From independence to today, many great men and women have dedicated their lives for this country. Do you know what great means?
Big, rich, hardworking.
No, children. It means dedicated, disciplined, and committed to the country. Do you know any famous characters from Indian history?
Veerapandiya Kattabomman.
Jhansi Rani.
Gandhi Tata?
Indira Gandhi.
Very good. What do you know about Veerapandiya Kattabomman, dear?
No, miss. My grandfather told me this name.
How would you all like to learn more about great Indians?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, children. We will work on this project. Navanithan, shall we start with Veerapandiya Kattabomman right now?
Yes, miss. I will talk to my grandfather and get all the details.
Good. You can talk to your grandfather. You can read the books. You can refer the internet and find out all the details. Right? Shall we make a list now?
Yes, Miss.
Navanithan, you start with Veerapandiya Kattabomman, right?
Okay, miss.
Snega, where are you? You work on Jhansi Rani.
Okay, miss.
Ajish and Ashok, you are good friends. You work together on this project on Gandhiji and Nehruji.
Okay, miss.
Arun Kumar, you work on this project on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Oh, yes, Miss.
Priscilla, can you work on the profile of Swami Vivekananda?
Okay, miss.
He was such a great leader. You love to work on that. Where are those two naughty boys, Dasdeer and Vishnu? There you are hiding. Both of you together will work on the projects of other great leaders like Sarojini Naidu, Sri Rabindranath Tagore and Kalpana Chawla. Rajesh, we are going to work on Mahakavi Bharadiyar. You are so good in Tamil.
Okay, Miss.
So students, in the next class, that is on 6th of January, I will see you with your project completed.
And she was completely brought up by her father. She completed her education, learnt horse riding, sword fighting and shooting with a gun. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the Maharaja of Jhansi in 1842 and then became the Rani of Jhansi. She was then given the name Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai gave birth to a son in 1851, but unfortunately, this child died when he was about 4 months old. After this tragedy, they adopted Damodar Rao as their son. Later on, Maharaja Gangadhar Rao died in the November of 1853. After his death, Lakshmi Bai was left alone, just 18 years old. But she did not lose her courage. She always remembered her responsibility. At that time, Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General of India. Though they had little Damodar Rao as an adopted son, they did not recognize him as the heir of Jhansi. Lord Dalhousie decided to annex the state as Maharaja Gangadhar Rao had left no legal heir. This misfortune of Jhansi was used by the British to expand their empire. In March 1854, the British ruler ordered Lakshmi Bai to leave the Jhansi fort. It was a humiliating condition, but Jhansi and the Rani were like a silent volcano before eruption. The Rani of Jhansi was determined not to give up her kingdom. She was a symbol of patriotism and self-respect. The British were making every effort to destroy the freedom of the country, whereas Rani Lakshmi Bai was determined to get rid of them. She strengthened the defense of Jhansi and assembled a volunteer army of rebellions. Women were also given military training. The Rani was accompanied by her brave warriors, and the local population, irrespective of their religion or caste, were determined to fight and give their lives for the cause of independence and their beloved Rani. The British attacked Jhansi in 1858. Rani of Jhansi, with her faithful warriors, decided not to surrender. The fighting continued for about 2 weeks. In the Jhansi army, women were also carrying ammunition and were supplying food to the soldiers. The Rani herself was very active. She herself looked after the defense of the city. However, Jhansi fell to the British forces. On a black day, the British army entered the city of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai, still full of courage and patriotism, dressed as a man, took up arms. Her son Damodar Rao strapped tightly to her back. She was holding the reins of her horse in her mouth and the sword with both her hands. However tough, she fought. On the second day of fighting, the first real heroine of Indian struggle for independence, at the age of 23 years, lost her life. Veerapandi Kattabomman was an 18th century Indian Palayakarar chieftain from Panjalakuruchi, and he was one of the earliest to oppose the British rule. He waged a war with the British 6 decades before the Indian War of Independence, which occurred in 1857. After a bloody war with the British, he was captured by them and hanged in 1799 CE. His fort was destroyed and his wealth looted by the British Army. Today, Panjalakuruchi is a historically important place in the present-day Thoothukudi district of Tamil Nadu state in India. Veerapandi Kattabomman was born to Jagaveera Kattabomman and Arumugathammal on January 4, 1760. He had two younger brothers, Dalavai Kumarasamy and Durai Singham. On February 2, 1790, Veerapandiyan, then 30 years, became the king of Panjalakuruchi as Veerapandiya Kattabomman, supposed to be the 47th ruler of the region and the 5th ruler from the Kattabomman clan. The territory then came under the Nawab of Arcot. The Palayakaras of the old Madurai country refused to recognize the new Muslim rulers. The Nawab went into bankruptcy, not helped by his lavish tastes like building palaces, and he tried to sustain his authority in the region. Finally, the Nawab resorted to borrowing huge sums from the British East India Company, erupting as a scandal in the British Parliament. The Nawab of Arcot finally gave the British the right to collect taxes and levies from the southern region in lieu of the money he had borrowed. The East India Company took advantage of the situation and plundered all the wealth of the people in the name of tax collection. They even leased the country in 1750s to a savage warrior, Muhammad Yusuf Khan, also known as Marudanayagam, who killed many of the Palayakaras, including and later got himself killed by the Arcot British forces. Many of the Palayakaras submitted only with the exception of Kattabomman. Kattabomman refused to pay his dues and for a long time refused to meet Jackson, the collector of the East India Company. Finally, he met Jackson at Ramalinga Vilasam, the palace of Setupati of Ramanathapuram. The meeting turned violent and ended in a skirmish. Veerapandya Kattabomman hid in so many places including Thirumayam, Virachilai and finally stayed at Kolarpatti. Finally, he took refuge in the Tirukkalambur forest close to Pudukkottai. The British ordered the Raja of Pudukkottai to arrest Kattabomman. Accordingly, Kattabomman was captured and on October 16, 1799, the case was taken up nearly 3 weeks after his arrest near Pudukkottai. After a summary trial, Kattabomman was hanged unceremoniously on a tamarind tree near Tirunelveli. Kattabomman thus became the pivot of the emerging feeling of Tamil nationhood. His story is celebrated in many legends and epic poetry in Tamil. Kattabomman is today recognized by the government as one of the earliest independence fighters opposing the British and has been hailed as the inspiration behind the first battle of independence in 1857.
நீர்தான் வீரபாண்டிய கட்டபொம்மனோ? நீர்தான் ஜாக்சன் துரை என்பவரோ? தேங்க்ஸ். ஏது வெகு தூரம் வந்து விட்டீர்? நட்பு விரும்பி அழைத்ததாக அறிகிறேன். அதையே விரும்பி நானும் வந்துள்ளேன். நட்பு வேண்டும், ஆனால் அதற்கேற்ற நடத்த இல்லை உம்மிடம். உன் மீது குற்றம் சுமத்துகிறேன். என்னவென்று எடுத்துரைத்தால் கணக்கில் அடங்காது. எண்ணிக்கை தெரியாத குற்றம். எனக்கா எண்ணிக்கை தெரியவில்லை? அகம் பிடித்தவனே, சொல்கிறேன் கேள். உன் நிலத்தில் விளையும் விளைச்சலுக்கு கிஸ்து கொடுக்கவில்லை. எங்கள் பேரரசுக்கு கீழரசாயிருக்க திரைப்பணம் செலுத்தவில்லை. வெகு காலமாக வரிப்பணம் வந்து சேரவில்லை. இந்த பாக்கிக்கெல்லாம் வட்டியும் செலுத்தவில்லை. கிஸ்தி, திரை, வரி, வட்டி. வானம் பொழிகிறது, பூமி விளைகிறது, உனக்கு ஏன் கொடுப்பது கிஸ்தி? எங்களோடு வயலுக்கு வந்தாயா? ஏத்தம் இறைத்தாயா? நீர்பாய்ச்சி நெடுவயல் நிறைய கண்டாயா? நாற்று நட்டாயா? களை பறித்தாயா? களனிவாழ் உழவருக்கு கஞ்சி கரையும் சுமந்தாயா? அங்கு கொஞ்சி விளையாடும் எங்குல பெண்களுக்கு மஞ்சள் அரைத்து பணிபுரிந்தாயா? அல்லது நீ மாமனா மச்சானா? மானங்கெட்டவனே, எதற்கு கேட்கிறாய் திரை? யாரை கேட்கிறாய் வரி? போரடித்து நெற்குவிக்கும் மேடி நாட்டு உழவர் கூட்டம் பரங்கியரின் விடலையும் போரடித்து